Let us see how your jewelry photos transform into stunning professional photoshoot images. We will begin with a necklace set. First of all, we will choose the product. In this product section, we will choose our product category as jewelry, which is mentioned here. Now you can able to see product configuration already mentioned here. We just have to select. Now in the background setting, you can choose any. I am choosing some specific. So I am writing here Royal Palace for the background. Now you can choose lightning style as you can. I'm choosing here the golden hour. Now presentation angle I'm choosing wearing by model. You can choose any and add custom presentation angle over here. Styling instructions, you can add any like mood, presentation details. Here I am writing some instructions. The product should take 85% of the image. Which gives a closer look for the product. Okay, now I'm selecting here my product photo. Okay, jewelry. Now I'm selected. Okay, now I will click on generate. Here you can able to see the instructions like credit will be deducted based on input and output image. The AI will generate the result over here. Once it will generate, you can able to see the result. It might take few moments to generate the image. You can also able to see that AI used 2 credits over here. Now we will click on the image. Here our necklace set has been created by AI. You can also download the image. In this way you can generate the jewelry piece according to your choice. Thank you.